What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna do a basic tune-up of my daughter Honda Pilot, and I'm also testing out my new DJI Action 5 Pro, and that's what I'm using right now. So the basic tune-up usually consists of oil change and also the engine filter change, spark plugs, and also cabin filter. All right. So I share with you all already on how to change oil on the Honda Pilot. So if you're interested in that, I'll insert the video here at the end of this video, and it'll give you more detail. But for this particular video, I am not going to give all the steps and details on how to change oil. However, in today's video, I am going to show how to change the engine filter and also cabin filter. I probably, and also changing the spark plugs as well. So I probably do a separate breaking out that video, so that way it's not too long. Okay. So let me show you what I got ready to go so far. I'm gonna turn the camera around. All right. Okay, so it's kind of get all my stuff ready here. So I got the engine air filter. They're not original, and it's all right for me. And then of course this is the cabin air filter, and of course, like I shared with you all, I like to use the genuine Honda engine oil. Okay, so usually I take 5 quarts. Of course, the oil filter, and of course the oil filter removal, kind of special one. Now I started to drain the oil already here this morning. Oh, not this morning, a little while ago. Oh, get down here. All right, so it looks like it's not dripping anymore. Okay, so ready to put that back in, and like I said, I won't show each of the steps how to change oil, because I did that already. I don't want to bore you guys. Okay, and then I'll do a step-by-step of change the engine filter here, and then I'll walk over here. So the cabin filter is in here, so you have to drop that down, and probably have to take out some of the stuff here. I got a bunch of stuff in there, and then you can access the cabin filter. Okay, but I'll show you all step by step how to do that. All right. So I'm gonna put the drain plug back in, and also taking out the old oil filter. All right. Alright, so I forgot to tell you all that I ordered the spark plugs and it's supposed to arrive today, so we'll see. Alright, I'm hoping that it would arrive today so I can show you all how to change the spark plugs on Honda Pilot as well. Okay? DJI, the picture looks so good, so we'll see how it turns out when I download it. It seems the mic is working well too. Usually I have to exaggerate a little bit, but when I talk I have to raise my voice, but I don't think I have to do that now since I have the mini microphone. Hopefully it captures the voice pretty good, but we'll see. It's not raining today. Well, it was raining a little bit earlier today, but it's a little cloudy still, and looks like the rain is gonna come down soon. But it's got a little sunny there. Sun started to come out a little. But I'm thinking it'll start raining. And I also hope that my spark plugs comes today. It's planned to head out so tomorrow to go see my daughter at the University of Oregon. It depends on the traffic that I experience, between 2 to 3 hours to get there. But usually Sunday's not too bad. Usually Sunday the traffic's pretty good. Alright, let's check. 4.5. Should do about 4.5, and then I check just to make sure. And of course I start the engine a little bit too. Like I said, you guys can look at the other more detailed video that I did. Just won't be this one. Okay, yeah, it's full. About four quarts and 3 1/4 so far. Alright, what we're gonna do, we're gonna close this up. And turn on the engine for a little bit, and then double check. Usually Ended up with 5 quarts anyway, but I don't want to overfill it right now. Okay, put it this way. Put the cap back on. Sometimes we'll look at the spot here. It's harder to put the cap. You know, you can't really see it. The spot is so tight. You just have to do it by hand, and usually it just don't force it. You know, usually you should screw it in. It should screws in pretty smooth. So it's in now. All right, let's start the car. All right. Let's turn the car back on. Let's just run for a little bit and then shut it down. That should be good right there. All right, and then double check the oil level just to make sure. If you need to put in a little bit more, and you can put in a little bit more. Yeah, the sun's starting to come out. Hopefully for 5 minutes. This is what happened here in Oregon. Okay, so we'll do the whole 5 quarts. Alright. Take the cap back off. Excuse me. Put this back in. And finish up the rest of the oil. So yeah, that's total 5 quarts. Alright, I think we've done changing oil. Okay. Alright, oil change is done. I just need to clean this up a little. Make sure you take it out. This oil dripping. Alright. Yeah, it doesn't take that long to change the oil. It takes really long when I try to do the video, and try to do a step-by-step video for you all. That took a long time. All right, so once you're all done, excuse me, don't forget to reset the oil life. Again, you can watch the other video, more detail, but that's what I'm going to do right now, is to go inside and reset the oil life. All right. will change.
分手会不会被挽留？心碎的声音谁来收？曾经的誓言随风飘走，留下我独自